So if y'all are in the #smallenginenation hangout on Google, you know I would just pour the gas, clean the gas out of this, and clean the carburetor. This actually had a brand new carburetor on it before the guy took it home. Put old mixed gas in there, but the mixed gas looked more like, here I have an old picture that I put the gas in. Look at this. Disgusting. Anyway, clean the carburetor out. Put a new spark plug on there. Guy don't have a breather for it, don't want a breather for it. So against my wishes, but customer always knows best, right? Alright, I figured out a long test ride video. I kinda want to test drive it anyway. That's the best part of the job, right? We're all kinda hesitant starting out. It might have to have that carburetor clean again, but we'll see. I thought I was just a little hesitant right there, and it might get better on its own now with fresh gas, or not, because it just thawed out. So it might not get better at all. Give me a second, let me see if I can get it restarted. Sucking in cold air without a breather on it is not good too. That's probably some of the issues because it's real chilly today. We'll just have to see. Still acts like you're starving for fat. Oh, right here, best either. What she does now? Nah, she's hesitant. Sorry about that, guys. The camera was full, so I go take some of the videos off. I also had to bring this back in because the tire came off the wheel. Obviously, he has slime in it, so I think I adjusted the setting a little on this carburetor, and I think I got it about right where it needs to be. I don't think it's going to be perfect because it's running without a breather and it's sucking cold air into the carburetor. So, see what we got. Go back for another test drive. Just want to make sure we're going. 2.5's got some get up and go. We'll try not to run overboard. The brake ain't the best on this. I need a mini bike. I want a mini bike. Just like this kind of, you know, just regular doodlebug spring. Been wanting one. Haven't got one yet. I used to ride around the Packer show. That'd be fun. Oh, a little bit of hesitation there. Sorry guys, probably should have ran out the trigger. That was a stupid thing right there. So anyway, I was gonna say what I was thinking. Now I forgot what I was thinking. I'm gonna forward a little bit more, and I think I'll send it off to the customer. I don't think it's ever going to be perfect while it's breathing cold air in, because it's pretty cold. But again, I need one of these. Just don't need to crash this one. I gotta do the same thing, fix this motor in the same way. I fixed his mower. He did the same thing, and he did that in the mower, and then his Honda, which is kind of fun to ride. He ain't got much hesitation. Not anymore. Run that. More runs on this fresh gas helps clean out the cylinder stuff, the little junk that he had in there. Axle, no! That damn dog. Every now and then, I'm not worried about the little hesitation it has. Because it ain't that bad, and I'm not. The program I have some, like I said, it's sucking in cold air. Up here. Good pal. Yeah, this is actually my favorite part about fixing stuff like this, and crap, I need to start doing that, is being able to test drive it. I get to test drive some toys that I could have never could afford to buy. So by working on them, I get to fix them, get paid, and test drive them. I mean, if you don't test drive something, how do you know it's going to work right? So, if you don't put something under a load, put it under normal work environment, how can I stand behind a service if I don't test it? That's why I don't have that many repeat warranties and stuff that I fixed that they have to bring back because I tested it. Alright guys, probably should take this back to the shop and go feed the animals. Axle, stop. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Again, if you ain't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button. Hit that bell. And I'm gonna have more another video out this week. I've been cleaning on the shop, so I'm gonna do a video, and I'm picking up that amble and stuff. How it on the vise. I'm picking up the vise, so I'll have it up on the vise stand. So thank y'all guys for watching.